A very good morning to you all, children. Children, I welcome you all to this session of English grammar, in which today we will be studying the chapter sentences. Children, you know sentences are formed by mixing together a lot many things to make a complete sense, right? See, what I mean is, let us do this simple exercise in which we have to use words from the box to complete the sentences. See, in the box there are some words: playing, sweet, beautiful, mangoes, dog, a ball, swim, yesterday with. And then there are few sentences at the bottom. Let us make them by using these words. See the first one. Here two words have already been consumed. These two words are sweet mangoes. I like sweet mangoes. Now see the second picture. It's that of a dog, a small dog which is very beautiful. So we can make this sentence: she has a beautiful dog. She has a beautiful dog, right? Okay. Now see the third picture. See, children, I'm here. This is the third picture of a boy who is playing, right? Let us see some words which fit in into this playing, and see a ball is also there, and here is also ball. So we will use these two words in our sentence, right? Now the sentence will become: the boy is playing with a ball, right? The boy is playing with a ball. We will also be using this with, which is there, children, right? We will also be using this with in this sentence. So the boy is playing with a ball, right? The last one, they went for a, and see the girl is in a swimming costume, right? So here we will be using swim, and the word went is there. That means it's in past tense, right? It is in past tense. So we will be using yesterday, right? See, for the fourth one, we are using these two words, right? Here, yesterday and swim, right? So it will become: they went for a swim yesterday, right? They went for a swim yesterday. Now, what does this mean? See what is written here. You may have noticed that together the words meant something. Such a group of words is called sentence, right? So the definition is: a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence has to begin with a capital letter and have a verb, right? Now, it can end with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. Now, question mark if it's a normal sentence, question mark if it's a question, and exclamation mark if something exciting or some emotions are represented in that sentence, right? Okay, we move to the next exercise. Take the group of words that are sentences and cross the ones that are not, right? That means they should have some sense, and they should end with full stop, question mark, or an exclamation. See the first one. I could see a bird high up in the sky. It is having a sense, and at the end there is a full stop. That means this is a sentence. Let us do the second one. These are the girls who. After who there is no mark, right? No mark, so it's not a sentence. Cross. Third, when I went to the market, see there is no sign after the market, so it's another cross, right? Then fourth, five friends went for a picnic, and there is a full stop. It makes a sense, so it's correct. Fifth, life's joys and sorrows, no full stop, no question mark, nothing at the end, so this fifth one is a cross, right, children? It's false. Okay. Sixth, today is the best day of my life. It is ending with a full stop. True. It's a sentence. Sparky waves and the soft warm sand. Sparkly waves and the soft warm sand. Yes, it makes a sense, right? Let us once again see all the criteria of the sentence. It has to begin with a capital letter, then I have a verb, it can end with a full stop. No, it is beginning with a capital letter, true. There is a full stop, true. And verb. Now let us find the verb. Sparkly waves in the soft, warm sand. Yes, I don't see any verb in this sentence. So, sparkly waves and the soft, warm sand. There is no verb, so it's not a sentence. Right, children? Seventh is not a sentence. And now the last. Children's love to play. Children love to play computer games. Yes. Play is a verb. Full stop it is ending with. It's a sentence. Okay. So that is how you have to do this. Now we come to the B part. Rewrite these groups of words as a sentence. Now see the first one. Bus, the school, are children going in the. Now the hint he has given, the children are going in the school bus. Right? We have to use the same kind of brain in the next sentence. She, for her was kindness known. Right? She is a pronoun, so we can begin the sentence with a pronoun. So it would be she was known for her kindness. Right? The sentence will be she was known for her kindness. Okay? Now the next one. Water glass he for asked of a. Now here there is a pronoun which is he. So we can begin the sentence with he. He, then verb, asked. He asked for a glass of water. He asked for a glass of water. Right, children? Okay, now we come to the fourth one. Interested car were they buying in that? So here there is another pronoun given, they. They were interested in buying that car. They were interested in buying that car. Right? Okay, so we move ahead to the fifth one. Fifth one says, and by hour is late the train. So it will become, the train is late by an hour. Right? So here the noun was train. So the train is late by an hour. Next one, Aunt Mai baked a cake best her for friend. Here, my is a pronoun and aunt the noun. So we'll begin with, my aunt baked a cake for her best friend. My aunt baked a cake for her best friend. The last one, nice the room flowers smell drawing the in. Now, so here the noun is flowers, right? So you will try to begin this, we can try to begin this sentence with the flowers. The flowers smell nice in the drawing room. The flowers smell nice in the drawing room. Right, children? So this is how you have to do this. Next, see in the learn it is written. Notice how these sentences have been divided. Sarika then swims in the pool every evening. They went to Meghalaya. The tired footballer fell asleep. The first part of the sentence contains a noun or a pronoun, just as I told you. The second part contains a verb and other information about the noun or pronoun. So, the sentence has now two parts. Part A is a noun or pronoun part known as the subject, and part 2 a verb part called a predicate. Right? So I stop here today. So what we have seen is we have learned a few things. Let us just quickly recap. The first is, see, from this we know that a sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. A sentence has to begin with a capital letter and have a verb. It can end with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. And furthermore, we learned that a sentence has furthermore we learned that a sentence has two parts, a noun or pronoun part which is called subject and a verb part called predicate. Right, children? I hope you enjoyed this session as much as I did. So until we meet again, it's a